Have you ever imagined typing a message just by thinking about it? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming a reality thanks to incredible advancements in AI. This isn't just about convenience. It's about giving a voice back to those who have lost it. Imagine someone living with paralysis, unable to speak or move their hands. For years, communication might have been incredibly difficult or even impossible. Now, a groundbreaking technology called a thought-to-text AI interface is changing everything. Here's how it works. Tiny, ultra-sensitive sensors, often part of a brain-computer interface, are placed on or in the brain. These sensors are designed to pick up on the neural signals associated with the intention to speak or type. When a person thinks about forming a word or a sentence, their brain fires off specific patterns of electrical activity. The AI's job is to decode these complex signals. It's like learning a new language. But instead of words and grammar, the AI is learning the unique language of an individual's brain activity. At the heart of this system are powerful machine learning models. Initially, the AI might make a lot of mistakes, sort of like a baby learning to talk. But with each attempt, it learns and adapts. The user thinks of a word, the AI tries to guess it, and through feedback, the system gets progressively more accurate. Over time, the AI can translate these neural signals into text on a screen with increasing speed and precision, allowing the person to communicate their thoughts, feelings, and needs in real time. This technology has already enabled patients to type messages, send emails, and reconnect with their loved ones, all through the power of thought. It's a testament to how AI can restore dignity and independence to people's lives. Of course, the technology is still in its early days. Right now, these systems can be slow, and they're mostly confined to controlled laboratory environments. A lot more research is needed to make them faster, more reliable, and accessible to everyone who needs them. But the progress so far is absolutely astonishing. We're on the verge of a new era of communication, one where the boundaries between mind and machine are blurring in the most beautiful way possible. The future isn't just about faster computers or smarter phones. It is about using technology to re-establish the most fundamental human connection of all, the ability to share our inner world with others. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how technology is changing our world. See you next time.